Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can hard reset this fellow phone. This is Rollontop. Please subscribe to this channel. So if you want to hard reset this phone, you press power button and volume up button all together at the same time. As you can see how I'm going to do it, you keep on pressing them. Just be patient and keep on pressing the buttons all together. When the screen pops up, then you let go power button and keep on pressing volume up. When you see this interface, what you do, you look for where there is wipe data factory reset. Use power button to scroll down, volume down, to scroll down until you see wipe data factory reset. After getting it, you use power button to select. Still use volume down to select, to scroll, and power button to select. Then you factory reset the phone. Power button to reboot the system. When it comes like this, to reboot now, you press power button and reboot the phone. Then you wait for it to show up. Sometimes it takes quite long. Yeah, it has showed up. And the next thing you have to follow when you're formatting this phone, always try to charge the phone like above 30%. If you don't charge it, you see I've already put the USB. It may not come, or it may not work again.